As anticipation builds for Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series, a fresh leak has stirred excitement among fans and tech enthusiasts. According to well-known leaker Majin Buu, Apple is preparing to launch a brand new line of protective cases with a bold design shift and a material that could redefine how we protect our devices. Say goodbye to FineWoven, and hello to TechWoven. From FineWoven to TechWoven, Apple's material makeover back. In September 2023, Apple made headlines by discontinuing its leather cases, citing environmental concerns. In their place, the company introduced FineWoven, a premium, eco-conscious alternative. While the concept was admirable, FineWoven failed to win over users due to durability issues and a lackluster feel. Within a year, Apple quietly phased it out, and the iPhone 16 series didn't feature FineWoven cases at all. Now, Apple seems ready to try again. The new TechWoven material is designed to overcome FineWoven's flaws while maintaining Apple's commitment to sustainability. According to the leak, TechWoven offers a slightly textured weave that enhances grip and minimizes wear resistance to glossing and fading. Even after extended use, a rubbery, tactile surface that reduces the chance of accidental drops improve durability compared to previous materials' eco-friendly construction, aligning with Apple's green initiatives. While it may sacrifice a bit of elegance for practicality, TechWoven could become the new gold standard for Apple accessories. 5 stylish colors and a game-changing feature. The leaked images showcase TechWoven cases in 5 muted yet sophisticated shades. Though Apple hasn't confirmed the official names, the colors appear to include steel blue slate, gray lawn, green soft, mauve warm salmon. Each case features bright, contrasting button covers that add a playful touch to the otherwise understated palette. But the real surprise? Lanyard holes. Yes, for the first time ever, Apple is reportedly adding lanyard holes to its official cases. The packaging even mentions compatibility with a crossbody strap, suggesting Apple may release its own wearable accessory to complement the new design. This marks a significant shift in Apple's approach to personalization and usability. Leaked packaging. Real or replica? While Majin Buu admits the boxes shown in the leak aren't official Apple packaging, they're said to be near-perfect replicas, almost always 1.1 clones of original models. The design language is consistent with Apple's branding, featuring wide camera cutouts and no oddly placed logos. Whether real or not, the boxes offer a convincing preview of what's to come. Enhanced functionality, more than just looks beyond aesthetics. The new cases are rumored to include MagSafe compatibility for seamless charging and accessory use, built-in camera control cover, possibly mimicking Apple's pressure-sensitive touch features, metallic button covers for improved tactile feedback. These upgrades suggest Apple is focusing not just on style, but on enhancing the everyday user experience. Available across all iPhone 17 models, the TechWoven cases are expected to be available for all 4 models in the iPhone 17 lineup. While separate rumors hint at a battery case for the iPhone 17 Air, Majin Buu's leak doesn't mention it, leaving room for future surprises. Final thoughts. A new era for Apple accessories? If the leaks are accurate, Apple is poised to redefine its accessory game with TechWoven. The combination of improved durability, eco-conscious design, and new usability features like lanyard holes and camera control covers could make these cases a must-have for iPhone 17 users.